done vacuuming? Are you done vacuuming the couch?
No, I'm just
Okay.
I'm
You're going to vacuum the chair?
Yeah.
Okay, you can do that.
Let me bring it.
You let me know if you need help, okay?
Okay. I don't need help. I got it.
You don't need help, you've got it? Okay. Okay. Are you all done?
No, I didn't think that one was there.
Oh, the one I'm on? Should I get up so you can do it?
Yeah, put me get the pillows.
Okay. You'll get the pillows off too?
Yeah. That
Okay.
one, okay, you can sit on this one.
Oh, I can? Thank you.
Let me, you can sit on this one. Let me then clean that one.
Oh, okay. Well, thank you for cleaning them.
I got clean these.
You did? You cleaned the couch and the chair?
Yeah.
Okay. You'll let Mom know if you need help?
No, I got it.
You got it? Okay. You'll be careful?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can help.
You need some help?
I
Oh,
got it.
you did get it.
Right here.
Right there? Oh, another pillow.
That's one.
Want me to hold it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll put with pillows.
With the other pillows? Okay.
Yeah. I don't need help. I got it.
You've got it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll let you do it. You want to do it yourself?
Why is I doing that?
I think he's cleaning.
That one clean this way.
No, he won't do that yet.
That one clean this way yet.
Nope, not yet.
Him one clean alone.
No.
Him clean this later.
Just that later? Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you need to finish vacuuming first, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
I won't be making ladder.
Okay.
I turn it off.
You turned it off?
Yeah,
Okay, when you're done, you'll turn it off?
yeah.
Okay.
I won't put away yet.
Okay. You're vacuuming Mom! You silly girl! Vacuuming Mom some more! Are we all done now?
I see you can count on you.
You cleaned the couch and me, so are we all done?
I can all this count.
You did clean all that couch.
I'm done now.
Okay, we're done now. Thank you for helping, Josephine. You're a good little vacuumer.
I do it again one more time.
You can do it one more time.